Amazon Affiliate Marketing Guide. 7 tips to make the most from Amazon. Do you want to earn money online with affiliate marketing the right way? Hi, Jason from Warrior Marketers here, and in this short video you're going to learn 7 great tips to make the most from your Amazon affiliate marketing. Look, I know how difficult affiliate marketing can be if not done right. I've been there. But this video will highlight 7 quick and easy tips to maximize your Amazon affiliate marketing efforts. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about affiliate marketing through Amazon. One, create value content. 2. Use a careful selection of products. 3. Use email marketing. 4. Create purchase-oriented content. 5. Make sure that you're accepting international commissions. 6. Make the most of bestseller lists. And 7. Track everything using Google Analytics. Try these 7 tips when creating your next Amazon affiliate offer and see what this can do for your opt-in and conversion rate. And please let me know how it goes. If you want more information on these tips, I've written a blog post which expands on each tip, and I'll put a link in the comments below this video. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and leave a comment about which tip is your favourite and which one you're going to implement first. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos helping to grow your online business. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day.